I'm sure you've all heard of the term atom, but do you actually know what they are? Nobody has ever seen an atom, but we have models to give us an idea, and we find out about our models through experiments. Currently, this is one model of the atom. In the middle is a nucleus, which contains the protons, which are here coloured green, and the neutrons, which are coloured blue. The protons and neutrons are about the same size as each other. Around the edge, coloured red in our diagram, in orbits or shells, are electrons. It takes about 2,000 electrons to be about the same size as a proton or a neutron. So you can see that our model isn't to scale. In reality, if the whole atom was a football pitch, the nucleus in the middle would be about the size of a garden pea, or up to an orange. So you can see that most of the atom is empty space. These electrons are attracted to the nucleus because a proton has a positive charge and an electron has a negative charge. And the positive charge attracts the negative charge. You should know that all objects are made up of small particles called atoms. Inside each atom, there are 3 even smaller particles called neutrons, protons, and electrons. The neutrons and the protons are in the centre of the atom in the nucleus. The electrons are moving in orbits or shells around the nucleus. This is a bit like planets moving around the sun. A proton has a positive charge, an electron has a negative charge, and a neutron is uncharged. Normally, the atom has no overall charge. It is said to be neutral because the number of protons in the nucleus equals the number of electrons in the orbits or shells. However, sometimes an object can steal electrons from other atoms by being rubbed against each other. When the objects are stolen and made to move, we have an electric current or electricity. Sometimes we call these electrons charges because they have a negative charge. So watch out if your teacher uses this term. It is the electrons of an atom that make up the electric charge. When these small charges move around a circuit, we call this a current.